In many African countries, including Burundi, quality education and job opportunities face significant challenges due to a lack of educational tools, technology, materials, qualified teachers, and job creation. According to the International Labour Organization (ILO), the youth unemployment rate in Africa was 12.7% in 2022, with over 20 million unemployed young people hindering economic development. Our mission is to educate youth by providing life skills to build more resilient communities. We achieve this by creating and implementing educational tools in schools and communities and offering vocational and artistic trainings. Since 2017, Spring Communities collaborates with government, schools, and local communities to address these challenges. We have developed multidisciplinary learning tools and offer fundamental learning components essential for educational careers. 1,345 young people have developed critical thinking skills, contributing to positive community changes. Our 56 inspirational hubs in 24 schools provide quality learning environments through situation analysis, action implementation, and monitoring of youth progress. Additionally, 86 teacher supervisors are equipped with constructive knowledge transfer practices. Our art center has trained over 400 young people in fine arts, leading to 350 annual referrals to professional artistic circles and 650 jobs created through art promotion. Spring Communities empowers youth to shape Africa's future by advocating for access to quality education and boosting the employment rate among the youth. Join us in making a difference in livelihood opportunities. Together, we can build a brighter future.